to scrub in another client's property at the back of their vineyard, and I'm going to try to get the little guy out of my car, but he just does not want to come out. Come on, mate. Can I get you to come out of my car, please? Come on. It's alright, I'm not going to hurt you. Come on. Do you want some water? You a bit thirsty? You want some water? Hey? Come on. I really need you to get out of my car. How about I try to shoo you out from the other side? Hey buddy, do you want to go out the other side now? Oh, you're gorgeous. It's okay, I'm not trying to hurt you. Don't bite me. Come on, let's hop out the car. Can you go the other way? Go that way. No, not up the front. Can you please? Come on, hop out the car. I know it's nice and cool in here with the aircon. No, don't go up the front. Oh, man. No, don't climb up there. Mate, what are you doing? Please, come on. Come on, hey, come on, out the other way. No.